Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What I will be presenting this morning, I got a power transformer here. I got this from an old Sanyo stereo. That Sanyo stereo is defective already. So what I will be doing this morning is I will try to remove this board because I want to use this power transformer here as a power supply for the voltage power supply, DC voltage power supply that I will be assembling later on. So what I will do, guys, is that I will try to desolder all these connections here so I could remove this board. So the input terminal will be this one here. It's 120 AC. And the output terminals on the other side are actually multi. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's 10 terminals. So I could be getting so many lower voltages here, alternating current voltage. So I could utilize this one to make a multi-voltage direct current power supply. So what will I do, guys, is that I will try to desolder this one, and I will be showing you two methods on how to do it by using a solder sucker, okay, and by using the so-called copper braid method of desoldering this one, because this two combination here will make easier desoldering of these ones. Okay, so what I will need, I will be using my soldering equipment. I sit on now. So I'll be using the soldering gun here. So I will try to switch on the switch for the soldering gun. And the temperature is set to 400 degree Fahrenheit. It is set at 400 degree Fahrenheit. So I will be preparing this one where I will remove the solder that will be taken. So, and this one is actually the wipes for the tip of the soldering gun. I'll try to, what will this, wet this one with water a little bit. So I wet this cloth here because this will be the one I'll use to clean the tip of the soldering gun. Okay. So the soldering gun is already hot because I set this one to 400 degree Fahrenheit. To start the soldering process, okay, I'll try to put a little bit of solder on the tip. And by the way, guys, don't try to inhale this one. This is cancerous. The smoke of the solder tip is actually cancerous thing. So what I will do, guys, is I'll try to solder the terminals. So I will be using the soldering braid here. I remove some portions of the solder on the first terminal. Okay. This is the solder that was removed by using the soldering braid here. So I will cut the used portion. And I will try to reheat the next one. You see this one? That's the solder that was removed. Okay. Can you see it, guys? I'm done with the three terminals. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it, guys? That's it, guys. It's done already. So I was able to remove the board connecting to this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 terminals. So I could get a multi-voltage source here, AC voltages, and I will be using that one to assemble a DC power supply. This is actually the input to this is the primary of the transformer, so this is 120. So later on, I will be measuring the voltages that will be coming out here, and correspondingly, I will install the corresponding voltage regulator for the voltages that will be coming out here. So what I have shown you guys is to uh, remove this one here by using a soldering station, by using the soldering gun and a solder sucker with the help of the soldering braid once in a while. Plus I use also the heat gun to heat this one because there are some residue which still connects the terminal to the board, so I must have to use my heat gun. Okay, that's it, guys. That's the proper way on how to desolder a board from the terminals of this one by using the soldering station with the help of the soldering gun and the heat gun. Okay, plus with the help of the solder sucker and the soldering braid. Oh, and of course, plus this solder here and this wiping thing to clean the edge of the soldering gun. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.